What would your life be if you did it? Imagine how your life will look if you succeed in reaching the goals that you are setting up every new year. How will you feel about it? How will your life look in the next few years if you put work in and do everything you said you will do? What will your life look like? And now imagine what will happen if you will do nothing. How your life will look in 5-10 years perspective if you spend all your free time playing video games, watching Netflix or doom scrolling TikTok. How do you feel about that? The winners and losers in this life have the same goals. Everyone wants to be rich and everyone wants to be successful, but only some become one. Setting goals on New Year's Eve will not lead to success and make you unique. Activities will do. Losers commit to the goal and hope they will one day reach it. The winners commit to the activities and stick with them. So focus on what you are doing and on your daily habits. Do not focus on goals. If your goal is to get a job in tech or build a startup and you are learning to program or create your app portfolio, your daily habit should be programming. It will be best if you immerse yourself in programming and code daily. If your focus is health, start with daily activity plan and schedule time for walking, running and exercising. It's all about consistency and daily execution. It is essential to focus on one new habit at a time and make it consistent part of your daily routine. For example, my goals for 2023 are similar to last year, but I will adjust my activities. I still want to succeed in indie app development and share my journey on this channel with you friends. That's my main focus for the following year. I'm using my app to track my work habits and keep progress on the screen of my iPhone. You don't need a fancy app, a physical calendar will work just fine, just keep marking days when you have progressed and working on your goal. Keep going if you do not see results yet immediately, and if you slip up now and then, that's okay. That's completely fine. The key is to get back on track as soon as possible and do not let one mistake derail your entire effort. My rule is one day off is okay-ish if you have any kind of, difficulties to work on goal, but do not skip 2 days in a row, because then you have 3 days in a row, then you're skipping week and your plan is going out of the window. New Year is a great point to start from the clean page, and it is always nice to take a look back and see what progress you have made in the last one, but there is no wrong time to review your goals and actions. Consider what person you would like to be in a year from now, 5 more years later, and decide what actions you will take and what habits you will adopt to get there. I plan to experiment more with daily habits in 2023 and will try to adopt new ones monthly, keeping my end goal in mind, of course. The first one will be daily writing challenge. I'm still writing with 6 to 8 fingers. Back in school, no one taught me how to do that right, so I could adopt better writing habits. I didn't. Better writing skills will make me better content creator and developer. It's a very boring skill to master, but it should be doable with the end goal in mind. If you are learning program, you will have days when you feel stuck or bored, I promise you, but keep your end goal in mind, stick to your plan and keep going one day at a time. Each project takes more time than you expect, so you should learn to be patient. You are assembling your future life action by action, so each skipped day is lost opportunity to move forwards to your goal, so do not waste your time. If you are done with setting goals for the next year, I suggest you to step back and look at your goal from different perspective, create a plan, write down what you will do each month in 2023 and create a roadmap for your success. Then pick one most essential thing you should do each day for first month and start to execute on that. There are 3 essential things that you need to do to reach your goal. So plan, aka roadmap, just discuss it. Daily actions, I highly recommend to have a visual representation for that. Have a piece of paper or calendar to mark your progress or get habit tracking application. And third one is accountability buddy or peer group. Find someone else to have similar goals and support each other. That can be gym buddy or virtual coworker with whom you work together on your goals. I'm hosting co-working live streams on Twitch. Also, you can find someone with similar goals in online communities and support each other. Maybe you're already learning with someone together in, programming course and so on. Find a friend, keep each other accountable, and let's make the next year the best year so far together. Okay, thank you for watching.